For class number 2 breeding gilts, I placed them 4, 1, 2, 3. My top pair, they both had good body capacity, flat top, but they both had a little bit of a sloped ham. They had a flat underline. And number 4 had a very square ham, or was square, had a very long ham, good butterfly shape to her. Her legs were slightly in though, and on 4, on 1, I gave 1 over 4 because credit, 1 had slightly less sloped of a ham, but 1 also had not much leg structure, not much bone, butterfly, or ham width. On my middle pair, I picked 1 over 2 because 2 had her legs in quite a bit, so 1 very square underneath herself. Both of them had good body depth, flat tops, and they had a nice shape over their top line. I did give 2 credit over 1 because it was square over the hams and was a little bit flatter over the hams, but 2 also had her legs together quite a bit and not much body depth and capacity. My bottom pair, both of them were stocky. I picked 2 over 3 because 3 had quite a bit of slope down to her front shoulders. Not very deep bodied and kind of slim. Not much capacity through the rib cage. 2 was flat to her ham as well. 3 was just kind of sloped all the way. And 3 also had very good leg position underneath of herself, so we give that credit, but we still end up with 2 over 3. So my final placing is 4, 1, 2, 3.